Hey kids. That's right. Chat. Space Bee Show. Yep. So we're gonna do today. Something over there. It's a workbench. I have work to do. That's what. Anyway, come on. Let's go. Hey. So stick around. All right. We're back. We're gonna try to do. So we're gonna try to make one of these bad boys, right? Yeah. You might say, well, why are you doing that? Well, we gotta attach the frame to the thing. So I'm gonna see if something like this is gonna work for what I got going on. So, you know, the frame's a little bit different than original. So I'm gonna get something. Yeah, this is about 1/8 inch stuff. I need to find some 1/8 inch stuff, and until that happens, we can't really do anything. So stick around. I'll find the stuff. Got stuff. So what I did was I went out to the junkyard. I found this. Not sure why it's welded in the shape of a cross or what's going on here, but that's fine because I think I can get everything out of one of these. I definitely did not do that weld. Now, the other thing that's going to have to happen is, now you can see this one is one piece, right? I don't have a way to bend that. So I might have to look at doing that in 2 pieces. But I'll just gusset it on the side. That'd be fine, right? Yeah, okay. So we need to get the marker and some other things and some stuff. So now you might be saying to yourself, Chad, that looks like it's going to be a hood hold down. Well, yeah, it is. But I'm going to see if I can make it where I can do body mount. So we need to go find a body. Look, I found one right there. All right. Let's go over there and check it out. As you can see, there's body mounts right there. And right there. See them? No, you can't because they're right here. Also, there's normally a body mount right here, but we got to fix that. We got to finish cutting that off, don't we? Right there. Yeah, don't look at the dash because we're not going to use that. And then we got this mess back here. Yep. We sure have that mess. Now is what I'm going to do. Take 2. Now, is it going to work with what I'm going to be doing? The answer to that is maybe. But I want to make one because I'm going to have to figure out how to attach it, you know, right there. And if I can, I'll be doing something there too. So let's just, okay. We're just gonna see. Yeah, I love this tripod. Nope, I don't. Oh, too far. I hate when things go too far. All right, so what we got is we got a stick out piece of about 2 inches, and then from there down It's about 2.5. Now I think we know that that's not going to work. That's going to be too small. So maybe what we do is we don't do this right now. Well, that's what we do. We don't do it right now. But we do it anyway. So I'm going to get my 1/8 inch, which, tell you what, this guy knows how to round a corner. So we're looking at what, 6 inches? Yeah, that's 6 inches. Right there. Okay. 6 inches. Then what we do is we get a grinder, cut it off. Now you guys probably don't want to watch that, and that's fine, because I don't mind that you don't want to watch it. You know, cooler if you did, but you know, what are the chances that that 1/8 inch is going to bend right there? It might. Maybe if I run the I think we know it's not, but we can try it, right? Okay, here we go. All right. The only thing is, this happens to be 3/16. Now, all my welders will still do 3/16 without a problem, so that's okay. I'm just going to take this over there, hit it up. I won't make you watch that. I promise. Okay, now I just cleaned that up. That's all I did. So we're going to get. Sorry, we're going to get this somewhere in there, and I'm going to cut it right here. I'm just going to flip it over. Now, this is really just a test of making a body mount. I mean, I can't guarantee that it's going to be like this, but it could. So anyway, all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half, 3 and 3, right there, and then we're going to just do the thing. Now, maybe what I'll do is I'll cut part of the way through this and see if we can just fold it over and I can weld that edge. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to do that. We do have to do some gussets, and I happen to have some of this. I'll probably use it as a gusset. Cool? All right, I'm going to cut this. You don't even have to watch. You want to watch? Okay. No, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. If you said no, I assume you said yes. Maybe not the best thing, but you know what? We'll be fine. I can't wait to see that. It looked like it was. All right, kids. So we got it cut, got it smoothed out. I want to show you something cool though. No, it has nothing to do with what I'm doing, but it's something that you guys would need to see. Check that out. Yeah, there's a magnet in there, can you tell? Yeah, we need to not do that again. Whatever. Yeah, the shop is not quite clean yet, but got cords everywhere, got junk everywhere, see? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my welder ready. I'm gonna just try it on 110. Why? Because I have it's 110 is literally right here. You're probably thinking, Chad, you said you were gonna get a gas bottle. Yeah, well I haven't yet, okay? I will. If I can find my welding helmet. Found it. It's just right there. So now 3/16, I'm gonna need to send this thing to the moon, right? Maybe. So let's turn her up a little bit. Let's turn it up to 110. Why? I don't know. Why not? What do we got to lose? Pop a breaker? This is over there. Who we got? All right, so I've got these held. Oh, you can't see. Ready? Right there. So, as they say in Texas, all right, let's go. Here we go. I got it on spot. What do you want on spot? I want to hear it. Okay, now we're going for real this time. You gotta think. Nobody's got a thing? Brush? What you gonna do with them all? Huh? Well, I can always use my finger. Yeah, that works. Nope. There we go. Try again. Now I'll get a brush. I think I'd have one around here. Normally I would never show you this, but it's not horrible. Not horrible, but not perfect. I mean, whatever, right? The other thing I'm gonna do, yeah, you can see. Look at that. Yeah, we got some good heat there. See that? I'm gonna try to do that real quick. I gotta get the edges anyway. There. I might as well try it out. So, you know what? Well, let's just watch from here. Does that work? Ow! Tell you what, that's hot. Right now, I tell you. How do I know? Because I touched it. I literally touched it. Not really. I can feel the heat. So there's that. Well, nothing. Okay, so far. Now, yep, this is my MiG 200. Smart Captain. Hey, boy. Look at that. Yeah, it's good. You know how I know? Because I'm the one reviewing it. It's better than bad, it's good. Vlog. All right, I'll tell you what. If you can tell me where it's better, it's better than bad, it's good. That, if you can tell me where that is in the comments, first one, you just won a super clean gift pack. First person down the thing, you won. You can tell me where that came from. Why don't you guys ever turn on the exhaust fan for crying out loud and stuff? That is hot. No, I know it's hot because I can feel it. Yes, I can feel it. You know, what guys? Love. Oh, hey. Why are you guys up so tall? What? Ow, there we go. Yep. Yep. Echoes in this thing. Now, is this the right way to do it? Nope. But I'm practicing, I'm trying, I'm learning. That's really all you can do, you know? You gotta get out there. Gene Whitfield said, every day's a school day. Well, you know, that's the thing. And I'm trying. Could it be that Chad is starting to learn how to weld? No. No. Just no. I'll tell you what, that's hot as a... Pick something that's hot, I don't know. Now, we're not going to be able to get in there. See? So we're going to do some grinding off of this stuff with the die grinder that we got right over there. Why? Because I want to. And I'm burning myself for you and your entertainment. Anyway, let me get that set up. Okay. The air compressor's got to run and it's loud. Not as loud as the last one though. I had to put this in the, what's called quench snow outside. Ooh, hot! Right now! Alright. I got a 36 on there. No, I have not put stuff on tape. Is it leaking? Oh yeah! Right now! I'll bring you back around when I'm done so you see it. A couple things happened. One, the air compressor wouldn't keep up with me with what I was doing. So I did take out the big one, flap disc. So, but you saw that those little ones, I mean, these were doing great. So where did it go? Where'd it go? Okay. You saw me getting after this. The edge, that was the only thing from getting in here. But, I'm telling you, man, check out that video. But I don't think it turned out too bad. I mean, yes, it's not perfect, but I mean, I think it'll stay. I mean, I really do. Now, we gotta do some gussets. Why? Because it's a thing. Now, I mean, we could do it like this, right? We can go like that. Nothing wrong with that. Just put it on the outside like this. Like that. Or we do it a different way. And I think I want to do it a different way. Whoever is in charge of cleaning up this metal dust should probably do that. I don't want to have to keep telling you. You know who you are out there. Yeah, you. All right. We got a marker. Apparently the big gloves don't let a marker down. That's fine. So, now, we can do this a couple different ways. And I think I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to do it. Can you see? That one's stuck for a bit. We can kind of go like that. You know, something. I'm just going to put one on, and then you can kind of see what we're going to be going for here. Yeah, we're doing this precise. Just saying, nope, not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. Okay. Marked it. We'll cut it. Still warmish. So it looks something like that. Okay. I'm gonna cut this one out, weld it on, and then I'll show you kind of what we'd be looking at. Check it out. Now we'll grind it off and see how bad it really is. Okay, I got a lot of it rough ground. Now I'm going to try the little guy again. Why? Well, because I want to. Why am I holding on to that? I don't know. You tell me. First things first, though. Whoever's turn it is to clean the shop tonight, you need to do that. Now, there's a couple spots that you know what? I'm not going to fix them before I show you. What I am going to do is get my beverage. Hold on. How's it going? Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. Hold on to it. Anyway, kids. So, what did we learn? We're in the MiG 200. Mark Captain on 110 can weld the bejesus out of some 3/16 and some 16th to make body mount. Now I only did the one side just because, you know, hey, it should be enough. I mean, I welded it. It's probably fine. Now you can see I did grind it off. You can see there's a couple spots. Right there I missed a little bit because I did set it down off of the edge on both sides. See? And I didn't, you know, I mean, I'm still learning. But I'll tell you what, I think this body mount would work. What do you think? Yeah, it's crude and whatever, but you know what? It was an attempt. Now, the other thing I should do is I should actually go in here and weld these up. Not right now. Right now. I know, I said not right now, but then right now. What are you gonna do? You gotta, you know, you gotta do it when it's happened, when it's sharp in the mind. All right, so you can see I got some good penetration right there. Now these welds aren't pretty, but that's okay. They're right on the inside. Now I still can clean them up. I've got some things to clean them up, but you can see I got penetration there. It's still pretty dirty, but the welds are actually, they're pretty good. I mean, this one actually looks really good. See, look at that, right up close to your teeth. So anyway, kids, what we learned is that when it comes time to make a body mount, Honest Paint Speed Shop to make their own body mounts. Now you might say, well, Chad, come on, I mean, it's an L. You made an L. Well, you know what? Yes, I did. I made an L. However, when I made this L, I needed to make sure that it will hold, you know, against that frame. It'll hold up, you know. I don't think I'm using that. I have some other stuff over there that I found that was actually 1/8 inch. So I'm gonna be, you know, I mean, I've got good penetration on this, and I feel pretty darn good about what I did today. So, mock-up body mount, I'm telling you. And actually, we could probably get away with just the one side as a gusset. Will we do that? Time will tell. Hope you enjoyed our little video, and it'll be a little bit till I do another one because I've got to fix stuff. And I did burn myself. That's when I put it in the quench, the snowbank. I have little rectangles that are perfect in there. Hope you enjoyed this. I mean, you can see that the stuff we used, I mean, it's pretty darn good. I'll put links to it just for you. Anyway, and then of course, you know, we used our MiG 200 and Harbor Freight stuff. I mean, we used a lot of good tools today. And I did get a lot of questions about this and this. This is from Benchmark Abrasives. I have not used the mask yet. The girls have been telling me I need to, so I am going to be. You're going to see that here very soon. So I'm telling you, Benchmark Abrasives. I'm not. They're not They didn't sponsor. I mean, they did donate this stuff to us when we did the spotlight. But I'll tell you what, I love this stuff, and I'll be continuing to wear it. Plus, let's not forget Benchmark Abrasive cutting disc on the old Bauer back there. Yeah, like I said, yeah. Wow, that hurt. I don't know what that was. Don't forget to do the subscribing thing and sharing thing and all that. You know, if you do that, we can keep doing this fun stuff and help me out with the build. Build's kind of stalled a little bit, kind of lost some motivation, so I gotta get back at it. But I also have to get back at stuff that you don't want to see, like continuing to patch sub rails. Which, when it comes to the big one, though, when it comes to that big hole, I am gonna show that one just because it's. I think it'll be worthwhile. Anyway, oh, don't forget Clyde's Junk. keep on wrenching, kids.